This is a useless video. I'll be showing you how to make a star using a rubber band. This is a simple star, a double star, and a triple star. This doesn't look like a triple star to me, but well, that's what they call it. I learned this back in the days. Yep, it's been so long since grade school. First, get a rubber band. I prefer a heavy-duty band since it doesn't break easily. This is how it goes. A simple star requires 4 moves, like this. Basically, a double star requires 13 moves. It goes like this. This one, they call it the underwear. So that's the double star. To continue for the triple star, I prefer using a larger rubber band. So, I tried connecting 2 rubber bands using a super glue. I can also just tie them together, but you probably won't be able to see it clearly. I'm going back to the double star. Then release the index finger. Now it looks like a house. Take the roof using the index and middle finger. This looks familiar, right? Well, now there's 2 underwear. Do the same procedure as the double star. And now you got a triple star. Oh well, goodbye.